guys, my name is Luciana Warnowski. I'm from Brazil. I'm a Prima educator in Brazil, and I'm coming to show and demonstrate.
We're in Prima. So what are we looking at? We're playing with, these are watercolors?
Confections, yes.
And look at all the different little palettes that we have here.
We have a lot of colors.
So this is one set color pack that you can get, right?
Yeah.
And then here is all the, so how, there's 6, I see?
Yeah, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
And we have more 3.
Oh, okay.
Well, you know, it's new combo colors.
Oh, okay, so new combo colors.
Do a lot of stuff too.
And then what's this over here?
And this is metallic accents too.
Oh, okay.
It's perfect to let me show you. I don't know in the video. It's perfect.
Oh, pretty. So
shine,
pretty.
You know,
so pretty.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. I love that. Oh, and this is, you do all these?
Yes.
Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Look. So these are using this or both?
Both.
Both, okay.
Yes.
Various different types of watercolors doing both.
Yes.
So gorgeous.
And I really like to mix the watercolors and our ink pads color philosophy too.
Okay, so
because
open this back up for you.
It's so easy to work. No, that's okay. Because it's so easy to work with color philosophy
and you're
too.
really getting this saturated with color.
Yes.
I mean, you're really, really saturating. And you said you were making like a starry sky kind of effect? That's so cool. I love that. So do you let it air dry or do you heat set it in between, or how do you, before you go with another color?
Sometimes I prefer dry it.
Okay.
Because for example, to draw the stars, it's much better when you dry.
Right, but do you use like a heat dryer to dry it or air dry? Just let it walk away. Oh, you use it, yeah. Okay, so she's got her little dryer over there. It's there over there. Got it. So cool. So you're just adding layer and layer and layer of color.
Yes.
So pretty. There's more water, more color. She's really going for a very, very dark look. But you're going for the blues and not hitting any of a black or anything. Or would you add black to that too?
We have a black too.
But would you do that with this?
No,
you don't want to. So she's just, I mean, super saturating in that color.
Yeah.
So pretty. Could you do anything besides with a paintbrush? I mean, obviously you have to apply it with a paint, but can it layer over other mediums really well?
Yes, it's possible. Use, for example, look, I love this.
Oh, look at that. It's just oozing on down.
The sky.
Look at that. So pretty.
I love this.
So pretty.
So it's possible when you finish, you apply the modeling paste.
Right, over top.
Stars, use your wax together.
Right.
Stamps. So.
Very cool. Very cool.
Or painting.
Yeah, just direct painting.
Acrylic painting too.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Bye-bye.